What's going on, guys? So today we're going to install a tonneau cover on my 2019 Ram. I went ahead and purchased the Truxedo X15 Low Pro tonneau cover, and the reason I went with this one is because I like the finish on it, and also I like that it doesn't rest on the bed sides here. It actually clamps down here, and I'll show you here when I do the install video. It actually clamps down to the side here and literally sits right here flush with the bed sides. It does not sit on top of the bed sides, so that's why I chose this one. It's a really nice tonneau cover. It's a little bit more money than most, but the quality's there, and it's just a really nice tonneau cover. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on this install. So I got everything laid out here. You've got your two rails right and left here, and you've got 6 clamps that you're going to clamp the rails down to the bed sides with. So you got the 6 clamps there, and then you've got obviously the tonneau cover itself, which is one piece. Most tonneau covers are a 3-piece system, 2 rails on each side and 1 up top. With this truck, or with this kit, it's only a 3, it's basically 3 pieces, and the front piece is attached to the tonneau cover itself. So it's going to be an easy install, guys. I am going to go over everything so you guys don't miss anything. I'm going to go over all the different steps you need to make sure it fits perfectly and snug. So let's get started. The only real tool you need for this job is a 1/2-inch drive, so like a 1/2-inch socket, and that is for these bolts here. And it might help if you have a 1/2-inch wrench as well, preferably a ratchet wrench, to clamp these down once we get the rails on. To make this job easier, you want to close the bed or the tailgate. You want to close the tailgate first, and then put the rails, set the rails in there on each side and clamp them down. That way, with the tailgate up, it helps the rails stay in place so that they're not falling down when you're putting your clamps on. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. So as you guys can see there, we went ahead and shut the tailgate to hold the rails in, and now we're going to get in the bed and clamp the rails down to the side of the bed sides, and we'll go ahead and after we're done with that, we'll put the tonneau cover up here, snap it into these holes here. I don't know if you guys can see that, those holes there, and then just roll it back, and it's that easy, it's done. So we're going to get to putting the clamps on right now. See here, you've got 3 clamps on each side, and I went ahead and spaced them out, one in the back, one directly in the middle, and one all the way up in the front. That way it's evenly distributed, and you won't have any problems with it falling off. So once you're done with the driver's side, I recommend doing the driver's side first. Once you're done with the driver's side, you're gonna move over to the passenger side and bolt all 3 clamps down with your 1/2-inch drive. And then after you bolt all the clamps down, I recommend going over it with a 1/2-inch ratchet wrench or just a regular wrench. That way you know that they're all tight. So once you're done installing both rails on each bedside, we're gonna go ahead and put the third piece up here, which is the tonneau cover. We're gonna rest it on the front side of the bed here, and there's gonna be 2 bolts or little like prong things that go in these holes here, and that's what you're gonna snap the tonneau cover into for your third and final piece of the installation. And then we're gonna just roll it back and lock it in back here with the hooks here and call it a day. So this is that screw I was talking about. Basically that's gonna go in this hole here, and then this mechanism here to lock it into place slides over it like that, and it'll be all set. It'll be locked in there. And then to undo it, if you ever want to take the tonneau cover off, you press down on this lever, oops, you push down on this lever and pull back to take the tonneau cover off. All right, so once you got the third and final piece on there, which is the tonneau cover itself, you want to make sure that you locked it in with these clips here, slide them over, lock that in, and then also you want to use this adjusting screw and tighten it up so that it's hitting the bar up front. Basically that makes it not loose, so that when you pull the tarp back or you pull the tonneau cover back, it does not pull the whole bar back. So go ahead and do that on both sides. So as you guys can see, that was an easy install. It's all done. I'm gonna go around here and show you how flush it fits to the edge of the truck bed. And this is why they call it the Low Pro, is because it doesn't stick up like most tonneau covers on trucks. And as you see here, the Pro X15. What I like about this tonneau cover is that it's like a tear resistant fabric. It's not shiny or like a vinyl or leather. It's very nice. It has a very nice texture to it, and it fits flush to the truck bed. And even back here, it doesn't go over the tailgate, just like it doesn't go over the bed sides. It fits literally the shape of the truck, of the bed, and it's just an all-around nice fit. If you guys are interested in installing one of these on your 2019 Ram, I'll leave a link in the description below on where you guys can get one of these. I found the cheapest place that has them is eBay, brand new. So I'll leave a link in the description below on where you guys can pick one up for yourself. So if you guys need to put something in your bed that you'd have to take the tonneau cover off, it rolls right back up really easy, and I'll show you how that works now. So you just open up the tailgate, and then you have this lever right here, just one lever. You flick it backwards, and there it goes. Just like that, and then you just literally roll it back. All the way up until you get to here, and then there's hooks on the back side of the tonneau cover that hook to this to keep it upright if you're, hauling something that you can't have your tonneau cover on for. But really nice design. I recommend putting this on any truck. Doesn't even have to be a Ram, any truck. This brand and the quality of this tonneau cover, I recommend. It's a really nice tonneau cover. So that completes today's install video, guys. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also follow me on Instagram at DoWork Motorsports. I'll put it up on the screen here for you guys. And I look forward to seeing you guys next video. Peace.